Here's a leadership lesson from a movie you probably never thought about this way: Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the original one. You see, Wonka wasn't just a candy maker, he was a master observer and a brilliant leader in disguise. In the 1971 classic, Willy Wonka invites a group of children into his factory. Each one gets the same opportunity, but what separates them isn't luck, it's behavior. Wonka doesn't lecture them, he doesn't warn them, he doesn't micromanage. He simply watches, he listens, and then he observes. Throughout that observation, he learns who and what they truly are. Augustus reveals his greed, Veruca her entitlement, Violet her arrogance, and Charlie shows humility, integrity, and self-control. Well, except for the fizzy thing. Wonka's silence wasn't neglect, it was leadership through observation. He understood that true character is revealed when no one's telling you what to do. And that's a powerful lesson for today's leaders. As leaders, it's easy to feel pressure to jump in and fix problems or give answers. But sometimes the most impactful thing we can do is step back and observe. When you really listen to your team, your organization, or even your own instincts sometimes, you can uncover truths that reactionary leadership misses. It allows you to identify patterns, potential, and pain points that only reveal themselves in stillness. So the next time you're leading, whether it's a team, a meeting, a project, or even a tough conversation, channel a little bit of Willy Wonka. Listen. Observe before you act, because sometimes the best leaders don't make the most noise, they make the most sense. If this gave you a new perspective on leadership, drop a comment below and share your biggest takeaway. And hey, if you're working on becoming more intentional, more observant, and a better leader, let's connect. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow so you don't miss any of my future content.